guys, it's Suba and today I'm gonna open up the fidget spinner. I bought it from eBay for very cheap. It was 200 rupees and kind of $4. Here in India it is very expensive, but I got it for cheap. So it is like $20 everywhere. I got it just for $4. It was like a 10 years anniversary discount. So everyone knows what is fidget spinner. So let's get to the opening. Here we do have the bill, but we don't need it. So sneak peek. This is online shop with fashion destination. I'm gonna give away the code. Then here is the package. In another package, nothing else. No. So it says that it came from eBay. I know the white two wrappers of eBay, but yeah. So let's open up. I don't know. I'm actually the first time ordered something from eBay, so I don't know how they ship everything. So yeah. So I figured out how to open this thing. So I see the fidget spinner. I got a yellow color, no problem. And they said that they will send a random color, so I didn't expect any like yellow, but I expected red. But yeah, yellow is okay to me. So this is a normal package, like yeah, not fidget spinner written in the back, but yeah, hand spinner written in the front. So this is a fidget spinner, so let's open this thing up. It comes in this plastic packet. So yeah. Nice. Come on, it's very fast. So this was it, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.